Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you how to make a delicious Ghanaian tilapia soup. This soup is spicy, flavorful and perfect to enjoy with your banku, fufu, rice or even yam. So let's get right into it. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Here I have my tilapia and I've washed it very well. And next I have onions, pepper, garlic and ginger, and I am going to blend this. Next I will season my fish with some salt, seasoning cube, and you can go in with any seasoning of choice. I will then add the blended ingredients, the ingredients I showed you earlier. So I will add it. I am going to massage this fish very well because I want all the ingredients to marinate in it very well. So I will continue with the massaging till every fish is well coated. And here I am going to leave it for at least 30 minutes for it to marinate, and you can leave it overnight as well. So next in a pot I will go in with my tolo beef to give me that taste, okay? And then I will add the blended ingredients into it. Add enough water. Here I am not adding any salt because the tolo beef already has salt. I will go in with some tomatoes, onions, carrots, and then I am going to cover and allow this to cook for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, I am going to remove all the ingredients and then blend them into a fine puree. If you are still with me, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, share this video, and make sure to turn on your notification bell to get you notified anytime I drop a new video. And you can find me on other socials as Hirat's Kitchen, and you'll love it. I am going to add the blended tomatoes, carrots and onion, and you can as well add some pepper to it. I didn't add any pepper because I already added pepper to the fish, so I will add enough water and then give it a stir. Here I realized my soup was too thick, so I added extra water. I am going to cover this and allow it to boil for 10 to 20 minutes, and after that I am going to go in with my marinated tilapia. So I will gently put them in the soup, and after putting them in the soup I am going to lower my heat because I want the fish to cook gently and slowly. You see this juice, don't get rid of it. All the sweetness is inside, so I will add it and then rinse the bowl with water and then go in with it again. Here give it a gentle stir and allow this to cook on low or medium heat for at least 30 minutes. Here after 30 minutes, our soup is almost getting ready. So I am going to garnish the soup with some pepper and allow it to simmer for 7 to 10 minutes. And then our tilapia light soup is ready, guys. So this soup is so flavorful, delicious and spicy. And you can pair this soup with banku, rice, kafa, fufu, yam or anything. You can even pair it with indomie and enjoy. So here is my soup, and as you can see, it looks so inviting, and from the look of your screens you can tell this soup will slap and kasa. Do well and recreate this soup this weekend and you will love it and you wouldn't regret watching my video. Thank you so much for watching this video to this end. So I am going to pair this soup with fufu, as an account lady as I am, so I'm going to pair it with fufu, add my tolo beef, and then add enough soup with some peppers, and I am going to enjoy. Thank you so much for watching this video to this end, and don't forget to like this video, share this video so other people can see. See you later. Bye.